Are you stuck wrangling spreadsheets or waiting for someone else to update your reports? Let's talk about why modern data pipelines are the difference between business chaos and business clarity, and how you can get out of firefighting mode for good. Here's a quick story. A few years back, I consulted for a company where every department tracks sales in their own spreadsheet. One master file per store. At the end of each quarter, nobody could agree on numbers. Leadership spent days arguing over whose Excel files were right. One morning, a file got deleted. No backup. They lost a week's worth of sales data and ended up missing their revenue target by 6 figures. That is what spreadsheet chaos looks like. And honestly, it's more common than you might think. Manual steps, email attachments, brittle scripts. These aren't just a pain for your data team. They open you up to mistakes, wasted time, and ballooning cloud costs. Even compliance and audit risks if you work in a regulated industry. If you're tired of patching these things together, you are not alone. The good news? Modern data platforms solve all of your problems. Here is how it works. Data is automatically pulled from every source that you care about. You know, that automagic thing that your data guys do. Databases, SAS, even those legacy CSVs, all of that can be ingested using Azure Data Factory. It lands in secure, scalable data lake storage with Azure Fabric. One place, one version. Cleaning and transformation? It is automated, repeatable, and documented. You're not just cleaning the same data over and over again. When it's analytics ready, it goes straight into gold layer tables, ready for reporting. And dashboards? They're live, self-service, and up-to-date, using Power BI right on top of the source. This isn't just tech for tech's sake. It's about making sure that your business decisions are fast, accurate, and trusted, so you are always a step ahead of your competition. If any of this sounds like your world right now, drop me a quick "that's me" in the comments, or hit like if you ever had to chase down the real version of a number. I promise that you are not alone, and it's fixable. What's in it for you? If you are a data engineer, then less time fixing broken jobs, more time building things that move the needle for the business. If you're an analyst, data that you can trust, so you are not double checking every dashboard every day. If you are a business leader, answers that you can act on faster. Plus, you know where your numbers actually come from. Teams that modernize their data platforms, they aren't just efficient. They win faster, spot problems sooner, and outpace their competitors. In this series, I'm going to walk you through the exact blueprint I use with clients right now, step by step from zero to dashboard. We're going to set up an Azure Fabric resource from scratch. We're going to pull in real-world data using Azure Data Factory templates. We're going to land it in a lake, clean it, model it, and build out dashboards in Power BI that your team will actually use. And here's your quick win. By the end of the next episode, you're going to have your own Azure data platform spun up and ready, even if you've never touched Azure before. What is the single biggest pain point in your data workflow today? Is it spreadsheets, manual processes, fighting over metrics, or something else altogether that I might be missing? Drop your answer down in the comments. I'm going to pick the real world challenges to tackle throughout this series. And If you are ready to move from chaos to clarity, subscribe now. In the next episode, we're going to roll up our sleeves and get your Azure Fabric environment live. No skip steps, no jargon. If you are ready to take a look at some Azure pipelines right now, take a look at this video and go ahead and get a step ahead of your competition.